On problem 7, we're supposed to solve for x, simplify radicals, and use imaginary numbers if appropriate. We could either factor, convert to vertex form, or use the quadratic formula. If we factor or use quadratic formula, we need to get the equation equal to 0, and so I'll go ahead and do that for my first step. Sometimes it's useful to find the discriminant because that lets you figure out how many and what type of solutions you're going to end up. The discriminant is just b squared minus 4ac, and in this case the discriminant ends up being 169. That is a perfect square, which means that we're going to end up with two rational solutions. I'm going to go ahead and use quadratic formula to solve the rest of this. Our a value is 5, b value is -3, and c value is -8. When we plug that information into the quadratic formula, don't forget that if you've already found the discriminant, you don't need to recalculate the numbers under the square root, because that's where the discriminant comes from. We'll simplify each part of the fraction. That gives us 3 over 10 plus or minus 13 over 10. And then do the addition and the subtraction to get our two solutions as a result. So 13 plus 3 gives us 16, and that's still over 10. If we simplify that, then that gives us 8 over 5. Then we do 3 minus 13, and that gives us -10, which is still over 10, and that simplifies to -1. So the correct answer for this problem is going to be letter D.